In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Printify payment method. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to add either a card or funds so your orders can be processed without delays. Start by opening your browser and heading to Printify. You can type the brand name into your search engine or enter the official website address directly if you know it. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before you sign in. Look for the secure lock icon in the address bar and the correct domain to avoid any phishing lookalikes. Once you're on the homepage, click through to open the correct Printify link from your search results if you used a search engine. Then, log into your account using your usual credentials. If you use an online store integration, make sure you're logging into the same Printify account that's connected to your store. After you're in, go to Wallet. This is the section that handles your payment setup and balances. Inside Wallet, select Payments. Think of this as your command center for how Printify will charge you for orders and how you can pre-fund your account if you prefer. Next, choose Add a Payment Method. This is where you'll connect a card, so Printify can automatically charge you when orders are fulfilled. Enter your card details carefully. Printify accepts Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Make sure the name and billing address match what your bank has on file, and double-check the card number, expiration date, and security code to avoid declines. If your bank uses additional verification, you may be prompted to confirm the charge. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. When everything looks correct, click Add Card to save it. If you'd rather keep a balance on hand, there's another option. Click the plus Add Money button to pre-fund your Printify wallet. Choose a preset amount or type in a custom figure, keeping in mind there's a minimum of $10. This approach can be helpful for budgeting or for teams that don't want ongoing card charges for every order. When topping up, select a manual payment method. You can choose between Google Pay, PayPal, or Payoneer. Pick the one you prefer, then click Add Money and follow the prompts. You'll be guided through the standard checkout or authorization flow for that provider. Once completed, your wallet balance will reflect the added funds and will be used for your orders. That's it. Your payment setup on Printify is ready to go. Choose the method that fits your workflow, and you'll be set for smooth, uninterrupted order fulfillment.